everybody. Welcome to this week's episode of Small Business Every Saturday. I'm Nick Fisher with Keller Williams Realty Northwest Montana, and this morning I'm here with Dave Christensen of Mountain Lake Mortgage.
Good morning.
So Dave, tell me a little bit about Mountain Lake Mortgage.
Yeah, so we're a mortgage broker. We've been here in the Flathead Valley. Founded the company in 2005, so 15 years in business, and we're here to help people buy homes and also refinance. So we've done a lot of transactions over the years and helped a lot of people obtain home ownership and helped a lot of people save money by refinancing, or sometimes refinancing can involve taking equity out of their home and using that for a lot of different worthy purposes, maybe improving their home or paying off other debt, things like that. So yeah, we love helping people save money or buy homes. I've personally been a mortgage loan officer for about 33 years. So
That's a long time, Dave.
yeah.
That's more years than I've been alive.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Awesome. Dave, what kind of hours do you work here at Mountain Lake Mortgage?
Yeah, so I mean, technically the office hours are 8 to 5. We're, especially now, it's extremely busy, so we don't necessarily have set hours. We're always happy to meet with people after hours, or those, we're very accommodating. So definitely have expanded hours by appointment.
Great.
Yeah.
That's really nice. I know that a lot of people work 8 to 5 or 9 to 5, and it's hard to get in front of somebody. So it's nice that you can accommodate for some of the other schedules that are prohibitive to banking hours. So that's nice. Dave, this is a beautiful office. You got a nice spot here, just south of Kalispell, right behind Frugal's. It's a really nice spot, just off. Not even off Beaten Path. Beaten Path is right there.
Yeah, super convenient for everybody.
Yeah, great location. Dave, tell me a story. Being a mortgage broker, sometimes you get some difficult situations. People that have come in that are maybe a little down on their buying situation. Maybe tell me about a win that you've had in the mortgage industry.
Okay. Yeah, I love being a mortgage broker because I kind of think it's really the best of both worlds, because we're a small, locally owned business, so we can run the business the way that we see fit. We have a lot of flexibility. We are here in the local market, so we know the local market, we know the local properties and all that. And yet, as a broker, we partner with huge wholesale lenders nationwide, so we have all the advantages, the technology, the pricing power, and all that all the big companies do. So I love that. It's the best of both worlds that way. In terms of successes, because we're a broker and we have that flexibility, there's been many successes over the years of to help people that have been turned down maybe by the big banks, because of the ability we have that if it doesn't fit here, it fits here. And obviously we're not going to do a loan for somebody that's not ready. It might be more you're not ready now, but let's get you ready. But there's also many situations where it just doesn't quite, not quite the square peg in a square hole, and we can be a little bit creative and figure out that, hey, with this investor, this is going to work. And the biggest thing is just, I think, what I really love about what we do and how we approach who we are, and maybe what sets us apart a little bit, is we really advocate for our clients. And so it can be challenging to get a mortgage. The agencies set a lot of guidelines. Some of it doesn't make sense. Some of it doesn't even really seem like it's common sense at all. So we really advocate to help our clients navigate that road to homeownership. And rather than them just having stuff thrown at them that they don't even understand, we're there to be the shield and help them write a letter of explanation or whatever it is that needs to be done in order to do that. So that's really, I think, what makes the difference, why we've had so many successes, that people have come to us, maybe been denied elsewhere, and a big part of it is just taking the time to talk to them, ask questions, answer their questions, and understand what the challenge is, and then often be creative about overcoming that and getting a yes. So.
Cool. I know that, it sounds like that's the advantage of being a small business in a big banking world.
Yeah.
is that you can actually be a better advocate for your clients.
Yeah,
and I know
exactly.
that being a small business, Dave has supported our office at Keller Williams. He supported our events. Last spring, Dave came out and helped us clean the Flathead Valley for Red Day. So Dave and Mountain Lake Mortgage has always been a big supporter, a small business and a big supporter of the Flathead Valley. So thanks for that, Dave.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I love that. One other thing I wanted to add is that I love that we have a team here. So, and all of us really can do all parts of the business. There's a couple of us who are loan officers. We have a loan officer assistant. We have a processor. I have an executive assistant also. So it's not just me, hey, I'm too busy, maybe I'm not available. There's always somebody to, pick up the slack and help. And all of us can do all aspects of the business too. So
Nice.
Can't
Your
give
wife
enough.
works here too, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Awesome. Family business.
So, yeah, I can't give enough credit to our great team that we have here.
Cool.
Yeah.
Dave, what is the best way to get a hold of you here at Mountain Lake Mortgage?
Yeah, so our website is mountainlakemortgage.com, and then our phone number is 406-751-2350, and always happy to take calls on my cell phone too. That's 406-261-1719. So yeah, love to help as many people as we can.
Thanks, Dave. Now is a great time. Dave and I talked a little bit off camera about the very competitive mortgage rate environment right now. Dave, tell me a little bit about your credit situation. If somebody is out here watching this video right now and they're thinking, oh, I can't get a mortgage because I have bad credit.
Yeah. So we have a lot of experience and obviously look at hundreds of credit reports all the time. So we're not a credit repair company, but based on our experience, we always know if credit isn't acceptable now, we know why that is. What are the factors that are adversely affecting credit? And so we're always happy to take the time with clients and say, hey, pay down some credit card debt, or maybe it is waiting, but once you've had this many months or years of clean credit, no late payments, things like that, then you'll be good to go. So yeah, always happy to talk to people at any point to help. If they're not ready now, get them on track so that they can be ready as soon as possible.
Great. And Dave, are there any programs out there for people that maybe don't have money for a down payment?
Yep. Yeah, there are a couple. Veterans can always go zero down. That's a fantastic benefit for our veterans. And then there's a couple programs that are available with zero down also that have some income restrictions and things like that. But yeah, that's another sometimes misconception out there that people think they need a lot of money or perfect credit to be able to buy a house, and that's not necessarily the case. There's zero down programs, there's low down payment programs available, and credit doesn't have to be perfect. It does have to meet certain standards, but certainly doesn't have to be perfect.
Great. So I think that's about all we have for today. In summary, we have Mountain Lake Mortgage here just south of Kalispell. We have a family business, a small business that's making a big impact in our community, helping people buy houses. And if you've maybe thought about buying a house and wonder if that's, after this conversation, maybe something that could be applicable to you, give Dave a call. I have the contact information on the screen. And Dave, that's all we've got for today.
All right.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, thanks, Dave.